Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel, a dedicated channel for the best WordPress theme. In this video, we are going to install Denso Advanced Electronics Store Woocommerce WordPress theme, and we will also see the theme features and basic customization options in this video. This theme has been developed by the Apus theme, and it was developed in 2017, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. And this video is going to be fifth video in this category, I mean in electronic store WordPress theme. So you have another choices as well in this channel to get another themes also or to compare themes, and this one I found a suitable theme for electronic store. This is why this theme is here today in this video, and I'll show you the demo. The theme has got 6+ demo pages, home pages. You can choose any as per your choice and as per your requirement and interest. So I'll show you one or two demos website as well. This is one of the demo of Denso WordPress theme, and this is specifically made for the electronic store. So the design and layout is uniquely made for the certain category only, and you can see the stunning look of this website made with Denso theme. And this is the another demo. This has got left menu, left sidebar menu is good, and rest of things are a standard as shown in the theme, and it is really good. I was just going through the theme options and all the things, so it is good and it presents a professional look of electronic store website. So if you are in plan to make a website for online web e-commerce and all such activity for electronics store, this can be a very good choice for you. And without any further delay, we can start the installation process. I have the latest version of WordPress installed with me, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got guides, licensing samples, sample data, samples contain the demo data, and the child theme and the main theme file. So to begin, go to the WP themes section. Oh, it got logged out, so I'll log in again. Sorry. And click on add new in the themes section of WordPress installation. Upload theme, choose file. You need to select Denso theme.zip here, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can do the same activity. I mean upload the same file in WP content themes folder. So I am doing the same. It will save some time, and theme has got 31.45 MB in size, so it may take 1 or 2 minutes, but it is a necessary activity to upload the theme, of course, and it did not took much time. And once the progress bar turns green, return back, extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is Denso folder. In the Denso folder we got all the theme components, folder and files. Now we can delete the zip one, it is just consuming the server space. Both activities are same, don't get confused. You can upload the theme directly from WordPress panel or directly at your server. So I choose in the second option. You can choose any, and go to the theme section. And now we have Denso as another theme option. We can check the details. This is Denso version 2.29, and by the Apple theme. Denso is a clean theme. It is used Apple's framework. Okay, fine. So we can activate it, and upon activation we got an alert to install the necessary plugins. Let us check what plugins are here. These are the list of plugins mostly are required, and we need to install all. I'm going to install all the plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid errors. And all plugins got installed, and you will get the same server capacity if you order at WP Themes website along with the theme. So rest assured about your hosting worries. And now we can activate the theme, plugins. And all the plugins installed and activated. Now we can just refresh the page to check whether it needs the WP configuration, Woocommerce configuration or not. And if you interacted in this screen, just delete that portion of URL, and the page will be redirected to the Woocommerce basic setup. I am putting sample data for Woocommerce setup. You put the original one as applicable for you. And here you need to choose the Denso. Continue with my active theme, and no need to install Jetpack here. We can install it on later stage. So plugins and theme itself has been installed. Now we can check our website how it looks with the theme and plugins. And this is the basic look of Denso website. Website with Denso theme. So now at this stage we definitely need demo content to get the website ready, like demo website. And I am just looking the option where I can get the demo content import option. So it may be under tools. So let me check. This theme uses Redux framework. This is a very good framework for WordPress theme development, and we have an option to demo import in this tool section only. So just click on that, and it is a simple button here. Click here to import demo data. Let us click OK, and the import process is started. And it has been told that it may take up to 10 minutes because it is going to import and download the media files and necessary files. And please don't refresh the page and leave the page, as I always tell in my videos at this stage. So just be here and let the process get complete, and we have to be here. Okay, and you will reach on this screen once the importing is successful. And now we can check our website again how it looks, as the demo content is here only, and it got successful in the activity of demo import. And yes, the website is here. So for items, the developer has given the placeholder image, and even the background image has not been provided by the developer. but it doesn't matter. You always have to use your own image in the website, and there is only image has not been provided in the demo. Rest of things are okay. It seems to be okay, so let us check. And yes, it is fine. So we can assume everything is working as it has been designed. So cart option is also working fine, and it is loading very fast. So this is nice that all functions are working properly, and menu is missing somehow, so I'll definitely assign a menu to complete the installation like this. So this is the first demo which it needs a menu item or some contact icon, and in our menu is not here, and it can be customized from the theme panel, so it is not a matter of big deal. Everything is fine with this theme now, and I'll show you the theme options, what we got additional in the theme option in the WordPress installation. So let us check one by one. Everything is common, and we see vendors. So this theme also supports multi-vendor facility. This is why the token plugin has been used, and it supports multi-vendors. And App's footer is new, App's mega menu is new, Woocommerce and rest of things are common. King Composer, it has been developed by the App's developers itself. So, and this is the theme options. Let me show you. So in the theme option, there is general, header, footer, blog, shop archive category, and there are some options herein: deals blog setting, better seller blog setting, new release blog setting, top rated blog setting, and recommended blog setting, single product page, 404, style, social media, custom CSS and JS, and all. So these are the settings available in the theme panel, and through which you can definitely control your website. And if you are in plan to make a multi-vendor, then you have to run the WC vendors setup wizard. So in the initial stage, I believe you don't need this, and if you don't need this, just deactivate the unrequired plugins. So I always recommend to have only those plugins which you are using in the WordPress, and remove those plugins which are not required. And in this video we have completed the installation, and now we can check how to customize any page and how to edit any page content. I'll just take you for a quick look. And this is the King Composer page builder, and this is also good, but not so like the WP Bakery or Elementor, but it works fine. I have seen many themes developed by WordPress theme. It works good, of course, and it serves the purpose. Simply click on the pencil icon and you can change the content wherever you need to do so, or even you can add or remove the sections. So these are the options, and you can simply delete or add some elements. So add element as option is here, so I'll show you just by clicking. These are the elements available in the King Composer, so you can simply add any element as you need or as you want to customize your page, and it is very simple. Even a non-tech person can do this, so I don't think I need to show you much more options, so it is fine. and these are the options to control the display setting of page. So I believe you will be able to do all such settings, and if you got some issue or having some question regarding this theme installation or any other thing regarding this theme, so you can definitely get in touch with me in the comment box in this video, and even I'm going to give you the link of my website in the description of this video. You can get the theme and there and even hosting there, and you can start a discussion to get a community support. So and I assume you have already subscribed this channel. If not, you please subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, important plugins and utilities for you. Keep watching. Thank you.